How to activate eSIM Boost Mobile. So if you want to activate your eSIM Boost Mobile, then what you need to do is first, just follow these steps. The first thing you need to do is check device compatibility. Ensure that your device is eSIM compatible. You can go and select your eSIM or your phone manufacturer. Just simply go and select your device. Most recent smartphones, such as newer models of iPhone and Android devices, support eSIM functionality. Second step is to obtain an eSIM activation details. Visit the Boost mobile website or contact the customer service to get an eSIM activation details. This usually includes a QR code or activation code that you will need for the setup. Third step is access mobile settings on your device. So go with your settings menu and look for the labeled cellular or mobile data depending on the device type. Step 4 is add your eSIM plan. Select the option to add cellular plan or add eSIM. You'll be prompted to scan the QR code that you'll receive or enter the activation code manually. Fifth step is to complete the activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. And once activated, your eSIM should be ready to use, and you can start enjoying Boost mobile services. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.